Yo, what is up everyone? Codes here, and today I've got a parcel from good old Sweden. So in today's video, we're gonna open up this parcel. Recently I ordered something online, a t-shirt from my favorite music producer, Kygo. If you don't know who Kygo is, he made the songs Firestone, Born to Be Yours, you know, just a number of numerous amazing hits that surely a lot of you would know. So, let's open it up. I got my keys here to, like, chop up the parcel. It's slightly opened already because I went to open it, but I thought, actually, no, you know what, let's make a video on this, because I haven't made a video in so long, that I kind of want to make a video opening up this amazing parcel. So, ooh, you can see it in there. It's a nice black t-shirt. It's going to have the Kygo logo on the shoulder. It's going to be epic. Let's take it out. There's an invoice in there as well. We have a t-shirt. We have a t-shirt. Oh boy. Might be a bit big for me, but that's alright, I'll grow into it. We're gonna open this thing up. Oh, hear that plastic opening up. Oh, that is such a satisfying noise. Get out of here, plastic. I did not just litter, okay? I'm gonna put it in the bin after I'm finished recording, trust me. Oh! Oh, damn, look, we got some Kygo paper up in here. That's pretty cool. He made his own paper. I like that a lot. He made his own packing paper. Oh, that is such good quality fabric. That is the best quality fabric I have felt in a long, long time. I mean, I don't buy good quality clothes usually. Like, this is literally like a discount department store brand. It's not even a name brand. So, I mean, like, I don't buy name brand clothing usually, but like, this t-shirt feels extremely good quality. Something I'm not used to in a t-shirt. And I mean, just look at that. I mean, it's better than I thought it could be, hey? Like, wow. Just the quality of the fabric. What kind of fabric is this made out of? I want to actually have a look and see what kind of fabric it's actually made out of. It is made of 95% cotton and 5% spandex. I guess the spandex is where that feel comes from. Like, something you just don't get out of 100% cotton. Like, amazing. And I mean, like, the seams look pretty good quality too. Can I zoom in well enough? Yes, I can. The seams actually look really good quality. Like, they've stitched them up really well. I actually like the way they stitched it up on the seams. One thing left to do, and that's to try it on. First impressions from trying the thing on is actually a really good fit. Like, I would have thought it would be slightly too big for me, but it's already a really nice fit. I must actually fit into a large much better than I anticipated. The tag obviously will come off once I'm certain that it does fit me well, and I mean, I'm pretty certain of that already. I think it's safe to say I can take the tag off once I finish this video, but yeah, you'll see that the Kygo logo is kind of, wrong way, the Kygo logo is kind of draped over the shoulder, which is really cool. I actually really like this shirt. It actually works really well. You know, I'm really happy with this. I'm surprised with the quality of the fabric. Like, it just feels strong and like, it doesn't feel uncomfortable in that sense. It feels comfortable, but at the same time, it just feels really durable. Like, it'll get through a lot without, like, tearing or something like that. I don't know how else you can describe it, but it just feels, durable. It feels good quality, and that's really the only way you can describe that kind of feeling. Anyways, yeah, if you guys did enjoy today's video and want to see more, then please do slap that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video by me. And yeah, I guess with that being said, I'll see you all in the next one. Goodness knows when that's going to be, by the way, because I have been uploading so infrequently lately. I really do need to be getting back into uploading. I just haven't been. But yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.